Hi there, I am Nadeem and you are watching my YouTube channel MathTray. Today we will try to learn how to write a number in words. For example, we have to write this number in words. First of all, we will draw a sketch over every digit. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now we will write the first two places, ones and tens together always. This is 43 and we will write them together. And the 100 place will always be write as single. It means that this is 300s. And the remaining 56, we know that these are in thousand place. The 6 is 1000 and the 5 is 10,000 place. So we will write them together. So first of all, we will write from higher place value, that is 56. First we will write their spelling 56, and now we will write their place value as thousands. So we will write 1000. So it will become 56,000. Then the 3 is at 100 place, and as we said already that it will be written as single. So the 3 will be written as single, so 3, and now the place value is 100, so it becomes 300. And the remaining tens and ones will always be written as group, so it will become 43. And there is no need to write its place value because we know that 43 and 43, 4 is tens and 3 is ones. So that is how we can convert a number into words. Take another example. For example, we have a number. First we will draw a sketch over every digit. This is ones, tens, this is hundreds, 4 is at 1000 place, 3 is at 10,000s, 1 is at 100,000s, and the 4 is at million. So we will start from left side. So now we will first write 4 because it is the highest place value and their place value position is million. So then we will write the spelling of million. Then we will put a comma. Now as we know that 1, 3 and 4, these 3 digits are at 1000 place, so we will first write the number as 134. So we will write 134, and then we will write its place value as thousands, so it become 134,000. Then we will put a comma. Then as we know that the 100 place value will be written as single, so this is 5. We will write 5, and now its place value is 100, so it become 500. Now the remaining two place, the tens and ones, will always be written as a group. And there is no need to write its place value. So this is 11. So this is how we can write a number in words. So simple. Dear viewer, you will have to keep in mind all the place values. These are the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, and so on. So keep in mind that we will write the ones and tens together, and the 100 will always be written as single. And as we know that in these three there is 1000, So the numbers which belongs to these three are is thousands. So we will write them together, and also the million and 10 million together. So let's take another example. For example, we have a number this, and we have to write this in words. So first of all, the ones and tens will written together. The hundred place value will be written as single. As we know that this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and million. If we put comma, then it will be very much easy for us. So we will write these three numbers together, and as we know that there is a single digit belongs to million category. So first we will write 5 and then its place value is million. Then we will put comma. Now we will write these three numbers together, which is 320. So first we will write 320, and then we will write its place value, which is 1000. So this becomes 320 thousands. Then we will put a comma. Now as you can see that the 100 place values consist of 0, so no need to write a 0. Just jump to the last two digits, which is 12. You already know that we will write them together. So viewers, this is how we can write a number in words. Hope you enjoyed the class. If you have any question, write in the comment below. Take care.